Alrighty, guys. I can't go now one more day without potting this tree, this plant I got here. Now if y'all can see, I forgot it's some kind of tropical plant here, but it is so pretty. Like y'all don't know how obsessed I am with flowers and greenery and growing. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow my little garden I got going on in the back of all my fruits and vegetables and fruit trees and banana trees I got growing in the back. So when it's time, once the weather really changed just for the season, I'm going to set my greenhouse up in the basement. So everything that's outside, getting all of that good sun and moisture and stuff from outside. Once I bring it in for the winter, I'll set everything up in the greenhouse. But I need to pot this. If y'all can see how big this is, like it goes all the way up there. Like it's really huge. So what we're going to do is I have some dirt here in this bucket, and I also have this pot here. It's good enough. It should fit in here. I'm gonna take and fill up the dirt, if y'all can see, in this pot here. It should be big enough. Right now, I don't think I'm gonna need anything bigger than that. If I do, then I can always repot it. I'm thinking I should put it in this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna definitely put it in this. That's what I'll do. I'll put it in there. It's big enough. So I gotta take this out of this pot. It's just in there sitting in if y'all can see. Ooh, but she's looking good. Okay, I need to fill that up some more with some dirt. I had peat moss in there, but I don't want to put any more peat moss in there. So I'm going to just get regular potting soil. Let's see. This is regular potting soil. And this is regular potting mix. So I can take and just pour the potting soil in the pot here, y'all. Okay. That's good. Let me mix it, and then I can take and put it the flour inside. And I have to look in my basement to see if I have any more white pots, because if y'all can see, I have a little theme going on over there. Either it's white marble or some sort of white and gray with all my flowers in it. Before I used to do a bunch of colors, but it looks more aesthetically pleasing when you kind of got a little color theme going on. Oh, this looks good. Yeah. Take and put some of these aerial roots inside. Look at that, y'all. It's so pretty. Yes, and then I can water it. And then get some more dirt in here. We need more dirt. Okay. Oh. And I'm gonna definitely have to sweep and mop, cause you don't be seeing where all this dirt flies at, cause it be all over the place, y'all. Okay. That looks really good. Put a little bit more. Oh, this one looks really pretty, y'all. Yes. This is stopping the little flower from opening. Goodness. I think I'm going to put a little more dirt in it. Yep, a little more dirt. But yeah, here we go. Okay. Get some of this dirt that's falling all over the place. Okay, here we go. It's looking good. And it looks like I'm going to have to go in the basement and see if I have any more white pots down there for it to sit inside of. So, don't get no water on my floor or my carpet. That's how I'm able to keep most of my plants, is by putting it in, like this is just a water catchment tray, but I don't want to keep it in that, so that's why I usually put it in the pretty pots, you know, white or gray. But that looks good. And I have to find a pot for, let's see if I can get this dirt inside. A pot for this one, y'all. I'm just gonna take the dirt, I mean the whole plant, and stick it inside the pot, y'all. Oh, looking good. So what I'm gonna do is pause, y'all, because my son ain't come up here yet, and I'm gonna take this out of here, and also I'll put some bark in here from another. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I found a few white pots. So I have this one for this big palm tree that goes up here. So what I'm gonna do is take and put this one in here, and put it over there. I think I should put it on the floor, y'all. But yes, this one's going in here. Oh yes, yes, there we go. Yes, y'all, this is so pretty and huge. Let me just show y'all. Y'all don't even see how big this one is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Goodness. This joint is huge, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna push this over here out of the way. And what I need to be doing is put in some dirt in this one here, so I can put my pieces, so I can put this in there. But yeah, y'all, put dirt in there. I got a bunch of cleaning to do. I still ain't eat. And I found another one for this pot here. I'm gonna take and put that in there. Let me put a little bit more dirt in here.